morning, good morning. What's up? Purna, what's up, Rio? All right. Let's check. Do we got some news today? Unemployment claims. Okay. Philly red. 3 o'clock, we got new home sales. Okay, nothing big then. We had the big news already. By the way, what happened yesterday after I ended the stream? Wait, was this? No, I can't be right. $14.30. Oh wait, no way we got this. Oh shit. Yeah, we ended the stream around 15:30, something like that, yeah. Around here. Okay, we retraced. Oppa. Alright, okay. We got quite a big move. What's up, Pet? Jack, good morning. It's nighttime actually here in Australia. Okay, you're from Australia. Nice. Okay, bro, I can't. Assalam. Assalam, bro. Salam. What's up, Pink? Yeah, let me know if you want me to turn down the music a little. Let me put this a lot slower. Oh, what's up, Zen? Been a while. I'm from Algeria. Nice. Algeria. I don't know how you pronounce it in English, but we call it Algeria. Yeah. Oh wait, you were you were in Dubai. How was it down there? Was it crazy? Say hello for me in Indonesia. Hello, bro, from Indonesia. Hello, brother. Namaste, bro, from India. Thank you for your support. No worries. So you are German. Nah, I'm from Sweden and Serbia. Pretty good, except for the... Yeah, okay, then that was... I was thinking about that. Yeah, how is it? That was crazy, bro. Thank God you came home safe then. Brother from Bangladesh. Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Oi, look where we open up. Yo. We open up below everything. We might get a squeeze lower, right? But I'm gonna trade on the... Let me connect my contest account. It's on Deepchart contest, not on my prop firms. So a lot more aggressive style today. Or it's been like this week. Okay, here we are. Here we are all from one planet. It's because you... But okay, yeah. Or... Yeah, okay. Hotel was like private mansion with personal service. Okay. I heard I don't know, the guy that runs like in the Dubai, everyone got free hotel, and yeah, they paid for everything from what I heard. How do you say genuinely in Swedish? Genuint. Yeah. Genuinely. Genuint. That's how you say it. All right. Yeah, we got people from all over the world in this stream. Do you think we will get a squeeze lower today? We open below everything. I'm just gonna read the price, the pressure from the order flow. What? What's this? Window too small to plot increase window size. Oh, what? What's going on with this, man? I thought you'd say Yang you. This week has been terrible. Yeah, it's been quite boring. It's been a really dull weekend. What is up with speed of tape? Is it bugged? Ah. Let me try to take it up. Speed of tape. Yeah, now it works. Let me just load my template. Let's do this, 1 minute. And then we go CVD. Okay. Nice. Yeah, hopefully we get a good day. Not like we had before. Technical issue. Yeah, I don't know what that is. What's up with this? What's up, Leandro? Can you show indicators? Which one? Hello, Thomas. I'm starting minus... Oi, oi, oi. But the thing is, Rio, either you make 5k or you lose 1.5k. If you want to win this contest, that's if you're gonna be honest. That's how you play this, so it's fine. Just names. Names? I got faked out in London. Ah. Unluckily, the contest started on this shitty week, yeah. Just deep trades, can you show us? Yeah, they are plotted. I have the deep trades, you see? So, if market opens like this, and we're already chopping, and this week, I swear, man. This week, it's better to skip AM session and go for PM session. But it's fine. Since we are in the contest, I'm gonna force trades. Not, by the way, not financial advice. This is, I'm taking really aggressive trades on the contest. Some are really not even good setups, just to execute. So yeah. FOMC liquidated the market. Yeah, I don't know what the hell happened, but this was crazy. Might deep trades options. I got 60 in limits, like 60 in filter size, if that's what you're asking about. That's the only thing besides from the default stuff, that's the only thing I changed. Deep might rebalance day. Hopefully something. Hopefully we don't chop. I was top 10 last contest, now I might be last. Yeah, I was placed. I started like 3 days too late. And I placed 20 something. I didn't win either. It was good. It was close. Yeah, we're gonna chop. Like, what is this? How can we open up like this? Does anybody here have a problem with FOMO? I'm gonna create a video about that. Actually, I haven't created done a video in a while actually. But yeah, I'm gonna create a video about FOMO, how to overcome it. It's really simple, and yeah, with the help of scientific articles. So my reasonings and solutions will be based on that. So it's not something I just take out of how can I say it it's not something I just make up. It's actually, it has data behind it. Yeah, last concert I was 8. Yesterday I got kicked out, had to reset. Happens. Oh yeah, we got resets. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, I don't need it right now, but yeah, that means you can go even harder. Hello, OG. My whole platform bugging. Well, I have data delay. I guess that's something. FOMO. Okay. God prevented me from trading today. Maybe it's a sign, bro. Maybe it's a sign. Yeah, you know, look at this price action on the open. Low volume. And we're stuck. But yeah, so if anybody has FOMO, I'm gonna create a video how to overcome it. And if you have any other problems in the Discord, in announcement channel, you can see a link to a form where you can send in your problem. And maybe I can come back with a video trying to solve it. Data delay, but better than brain delay. Oh, buddy, we have... This is how we opened up last time also. We're gonna sit there for 1.5 hours doing nothing. And you're just gonna see me go down to the 15-second time frame and play trade the range on like 2 minutes. Like this. We're gonna go down to 15 seconds. And we're gonna start playing the range here. Up and down, up and down. Because what... I don't know what we have had this past week, but it's not good. Then I have to lower my size as well. Like taking these type of trades. You take them back down to poke. Something like that. I really hate this type of trading, but what can you do when you have really bad volume? And you have a contest that you must execute on. Can you explain these candle? Which candles? What candles? The fact that I have to... screw it. I don't want to bother. Rather spend time waiting for something. Fuck it. Look how much sell aggression there is on the way up. But we defeated the most significant sell level. And we defeated these buyers. Yeah, we're gonna go up and most likely challenge this top. Look at the speed of tape. Look at the CVD. They put a lot of effort. Did they get results? Yes. So buyers are controlling. Let me just see. You know, I hate this when I see so many levels from the sellers. You see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like, yeah. Yeah, I think we're gonna go up and challenge the value area high. Up to these absorbed buyers. Hello, Rob. How you doing, bro? Finally, I catch the stream. Nice, nice. Unfortunately, this week, bro, price action has been like this, so it's not much trading. However, we are trading on the deep chart contest account, so towards the end, or depends how it looks, I will have to force trades. That's not really that good, but yeah, since we're in a contest, we should use every day we have to try to make good profits. Try IVB maybe. Yeah, I don't think IVB will set in for this. I really don't think we will get momentum. But yeah, it's a good plan, IVB. Look at this. We open up here. We're still here. Ah, yeah. Hi, brother. Can you explain the bias of the day, like sell or buy? Well, now it looks like we're gonna be bearish. Why? We shifted lower. Okay. We shifted lower in value. Look where we open up, down here. The thing is, this is a range that we broke out of, and usually we rebalance up, retest, and then send it. So profile wise, bearish. However, you can't really know until price, like the market shows you what your bias is. So if I see that, like look at the CVD, if I see that buyers are pushing, you see how much they're putting in effort and they're getting results, and we are destroying sellers on the way up, then of course I'm gonna align myself with bullish bias until we reach a level, you know. So bias shifts. It's hard to say what I will do and so on. But yeah, so as of now, I'm leaning towards being more bullish, because look at this. These sellers got destroyed. These sellers got destroyed. These buyers are winning. These sellers right here, right now, got destroyed. But it's low volume as well, so it's not even high probability session. It most likely would just chop. So yeah, horrible week. I don't touch it. Accepted the loss for the week. You know, that's a good call. I'm gonna be honest. This week is really bad. Really bad. What's up, Victor? Long bias, bro. Yeah, for now, but it can shift. And to be honest, I think we're gonna chop. If you create a range, you don't really have a bias. You have a range, so you play the range. Trap sellers now. Yeah, but look, they go recovered as well. And look at the speed of tape. You see they are pushing and they're getting results. So 1 second we were bullish, now we're bearish. So let the market play out. Get a better understanding who is really dominating. What's your entry model? I got 2 entry models, and on the video that I'm gonna do about FOMO, I'm gonna mention them because I have 2 mechanical entry models, okay? So my entry models is this. Let me go. Here I can even share the screen. There's my entry model. So say price move up, okay, and we have a significant level for the buyers down here. Okay, price comes here. Remove this. Price comes down here. I have to see one thing first, and that's trapped sellers. And this is my aggressive approach. I enter purely off this, but if I want more confirmation, I'll wait for aggressive buyers here that are getting paid. The candle closes above, and if I even want another more confirmation, I want a closure above this. Okay, that's my entry models. Super simple, nothing complicated. Everyone can do it, and it's really good win rate. I'm gonna be honest, really good. This is what we learned from Fabio. Yeah, that's how I'm losing money. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, this is... do you know how to identify... Like, you see when market opens like this? Super slow and choppy. So when I see something like this and I see, okay, trapped sellers here, I don't usually take it. Why? Because I think we're gonna range. So it's gonna be a fake out. It's gonna just play around with you. And this is... It's gonna be most likely a ranging day, and... people like Fabio, he makes money during trending days, not ranging days. During these days, I don't know if you've seen, but you catch a lot of losses. Fabio does as well. So the best call right now for anybody that wants to like get funded or is in a funded account is to close that account, go watch some Netflix. I'm gonna be honest. Or go on a demo account and trade the range day with me. Significant level. Yeah, delta levels. Delta levels. Buy and sell delta level. That's the most significant levels. Oh, you can also look for value area high low as well, but delta levels most significant. Did you use bookmap? No. Hate this week. I agree. On Monday, you lose 6K. But it makes sense. It makes sense. Because we are chopping. And on days like this, you get faked out quite a lot. And if you catch a move, sure, fine. But higher chance but look at this, okay? When I told you this, we destroyed these, okay? We came up. Trapped sellers. This is a good damn indication to go long, okay? You go here, say. You try to enter, it goes down, stops you out. Okay, now it goes here, creates a gap. Closes up here, trap sellers again. And we're going up to challenge these highs, like we said. But it's a slow day. We're gonna accumulate a lot. And do you guys know who makes most money these days? Who loves ranging days? What big players? Do you guys know who loves ranging days? Who makes a lot of billions these days? Hello, Kex. Your entry mode is like ICT. What the hell? Does ICT use order flow, bro? Why is your chart late? My chart isn't late. The stream is late, not the chart. Other day he made 20K. Huh? It's me. Market makes, exactly. Yeah, let's see. Today we have video conference in 10 minutes with him. Okay, nice. Market makers, nice. Do you hear about the news of TGR? No, what happened? Order flow and ICT basically saying we just add real data to it. No. ICT is price action, just order flow is, you know, like in short terms, volume is the results of price, right? So if you study volume, you can anticipate what price will do. But if you just study price, you're essentially gambling. I'm gonna be honest. You're really just looking at, oh, this happened, but you don't know why. And then you try to play off that. So you're really gambling. I mean, the Fabio Q1 session, it's amazing how much you learn. Yeah, definitely. It's really good. Look the video from Iman Trade, it's great. No, for real, the TGR gets exposed. For what though? He's trading. What? How did he get exposed? Bro, I love Iman Trading, I swear, bro. Iman Trading is... Oh. 40 minutes, bro. Okay, yeah, this is gonna be a good... I'm gonna watch this with my fiance tonight, bro. This is some good stuff. I like... Yes, the whole person is fake as hell. I liked him before. I know in the beginning when I used to trade this stuff. He traded in front of everyone. Made money, lost money, but yeah. It was obvious, to be fair. Yeah. The tree doesn't fall far from the no, the apple doesn't fall far from the tree, how they say. Since ICT is sub Fugazi, from what I've seen, then what would make them think he's legit? How old are you? I'm 24. Nothing new. Make never money from trading. That is the funny part of the video. Why is your chart late? Yo, what's up with this? I don't know. My chart isn't late, bro. 1454. You see the time frame on the bottom? Can you guys see that? 1454 and time is 14 and now it's 1455. Do I have a big delay, guys? Fugazi. It's the stream that delayed. But I have the delay on low latency. It shouldn't be so long, so low or so far back. VIX is failing. Did anyone long now? Oi, oi, oi. Guys, check this sell aggression. I heard a lot of people complain about that delay stuff on Deepcharts. Yeah, it's probably with Rhythmic. That's the thing. Yeah, right now I can't download them in data. I know. Okay, then I don't know what the hell that's about. Yeah. I don't know, guys. Yeah, look at the delay at data feed delayed of 4 seconds. You see up here? Something's up with Rhythmic. They opened something new. I don't know what they did, but everything has gone to shit. It's like since the war began, or since everything started, data feed, everything is... Did you see what there was going on in the London session? ES went wild at a random 1024 candle. No, what happened? Did it explode? Up, down? Got my TP in 20 seconds. It's working good. They have problems with servers. Yeah, it's not the best. I'm not gonna be honest. In fact, they are. Okay, we have this sell aggression level. Buyers at the top. We come down. We're gonna revisit this. Aggressive buyer stepping in here. Oh, we're gonna come down for a retest most likely here. I'm gonna go down to Rio's battleground. Oh no, you're on the 30 seconds, right? Yeah, latency warning. The XP is luck is fucking for me too. Atos worked perfectly fine with Rhythmic. You waiting for sellers to stepping in? No. Still bullish. I don't know what I am yet. I want to see something more clear. Trading stop loss hit. Trailing stop loss hit. That's good. Came out in profit then. We got IVB setting in 1 minute. So I can take it up. IVB. I'm leaning toward being more bullish since we broke above here. But it looks like a failed auction. Just wait and see. I never had that warning long again. Okay. Nice to see that it's rebalancing slowly but surely. Yeah. 2 years later, and then we might come rebalance it fully, huh? Shit takes time, man. No, we might come for the RTH gap fill, huh? Yeah, looks like it. So, oh, IVB sets in perfect for the protection, first protection zone. Okay, we got to retest. Okay, now we might start getting something good. This is the thing I don't like. It's when we break above. Like, look at this. Break above, trap buyers, come back. Break above, trap buyers, come back. So, yeah. It may be a day like that, and you have to just try to anticipate the moves from the lower, and yeah. But we are bullish in the IVB now. Hit daily draw. Got buffing. That's fine, bro. Go next tomorrow, just. What's up, Zaxiel? Bro, serious question. How long Fabio waits before execution any order? He waits. He doesn't wait that long. He reads. He looks at the, like, on the aggressive participators. Wait, what was your question? How long does he wait? Oh, you mean like when he looks for set, bro? He looks when the setup gets presented. He takes it. He doesn't wait like, oh, okay, I'm gonna start trading after this. No. If he sees something, he's gonna execute. I prefer 30 million IB. Yeah, I use the same. Yeah. Market opening. Yeah, he trades it. I'm going long on an account I have. Okay, play it safe, bro. This is not the most ideal day. Week, to be honest. You've seen what's happened this week. Look at this. This is what I mean with these type of days. We break out, trap buyers, we move lower. We break out, trap buyers, we move lower. And then they buy it up, like in this area, something like this. I hate these days because you get faked out every time on the breakout. So what one could do is this. Or wait for the range to get more clear. Maybe we got some trapped sellers down here. Maybe we got something like that. Yara yara. I'm still waiting for the retest in this area on the trapped sellers down here. This is the best zone for me. Not financial advice. And hope it's clear why. Or we try to catch a momentum move if we get something. Would you say Fabio is a strict trader or more of a fluid discretionary one? Discretionary. Purely discretionary. You can take some trades that are really yeah, discretionary for sure. But if you implement this Fabio's concepts and stuff, his mechanical approach, you will do fine. You will do fine. The reason why he's so discretionary because Fabio's advanced scalper. He's like, he knows his stuff. He's professional at it. So he knows how to make money out of weird moves, okay? That's why. But if you would, yeah. That's why he has his ranking system. AAA setup, AA setup. Are you waiting for IB to break high and retest? No. I'm waiting for a range to get created so I can take a long off the bottom of the range. Trying to go up for the gap fill on the RTH. Yeah, you have to go break even fast and see. Yeah. Today was very weird. Earlier too in London. So weird regime today. Yeah. I'm not gonna say financial advice on it. This is not advice, but today, watch out for these breakouts. When price breaks out like this with aggressive buyers, I think it's a high chance that we will go up, fake out, come back lower, buy up, fake out, like it's gonna keep doing, like, look at this. Again, came down, pushed higher. Came down, pushed higher. And look at CVD. It's flat. Nothing. Nobody's entering here. It's flat. So they are most probably accumulating orders right now until we go a little lower, where buyers will step in more, and then we're gonna send it. You can lose 10k and make 20k in the same session. This is Fabio Valentini. Yeah. Hey bro, just want to say I'm happy you came back to stream. Appreciate it, bro. Glad to hear it. I'm happy to be back. Can you explain what is Fabio AAA setup? This is gonna sound really weird, but I hope you understand now that his AAA setup can be found. Like, this is a AAA setup that he taught us, which is what I'm applying if I want to take good trades. So we have a significant level from the buyers, right? Say here, for example, but this is a zone, okay? So we have a zone, check, number one, that's the first check. Price comes in here. What do we want to see? This is from my mechanical approach. Trap sellers, that's check 2. What do I want to see then? Aggressive buyers, that's check 3. Just those 3. High probability setup. That's a AAA setup. And you can play it off, like this is the swing. You can play it off daily volume profile. Say that we got the level in value area low and we are bullish and it happens down here. That's a AAA setup. Do you see what I mean? So it's not something, oh yeah, this, plot this, do this, do this. No, no, no. Identify a significant level and you wait for those 2 things. That's your AAA setup. So like we did here, I can show you in real time how it looks. We have a zone. Price is coming into it now. And I'm waiting for 2 things. If it doesn't happen, guess what? I'm not taking a damn trade. Deep chart is good. I'm planning to buy, bro. Yeah, I like it. But it's a little buggy, bro. I have delay on Atlas too. Okay, I'm gonna take away this. We are in our zone right now, right? Most significant buy level here. Want to see trapped sellers. I want to see trap. If I want to be aggressive, I go for trap sellers only. That's my entry. If I want to be passive, I go for buy aggression. That confirms it. If I want to be extremely passive, then trap sellers, buyers entering here, and we have to close above this. And then you take a long stop loss below and you aim higher. That's if you want to be extremely like but it's a higher stop loss, it's a bigger stop loss. So okay, price reacted perfectly to this level. Did I see any trap, any buyers, any sellers? Nah, nothing. In that case, we don't care. This is how you battle FOMO, by the way. You have to be process focused, not PNL focused. Say the price goes up now, pushes up. I can try to take a momentum play up here if it plays out. But once again, like I said, watch out for these breakouts on these days. If we get trap buyers again, move lower. Oof, good momentum. Let me see on the 60. We might have gone, should have gone lower in contracts since we have low volume. Oh, that's a little unfortunate. So we got trap buyer sellers here. Yeah. So this is an aggressive approach. Obviously easy in hindsight to say, but this is how I traded, and you get more stopped out because of this if you play this. But I'm fine with this. I'm not gonna take it. Now this is interesting though. Trap sellers at the bottom. I might look for a squeeze because they have to cover themselves. So I entry up here. Even it might rebalance now. Well, let me do this. I'm gonna have a really short stop loss, really short. Just right below them. I don't want to lose too much. And if it fails, we're gonna go back and back and back and back. And this is gonna fail most likely, yeah. If you want to show me, I can show you guys something else. Check this. This is something from Fabio that I learned. So if we close below here, well, not too much. Come back for a retest. Let's look at the closure. Oh, that's why I had a low stop loss. If this failed, this is a failed auction again, and we go back lower. Yeah, we are surely forming our range now. Slowly and steady forming this range. Rio, what do you think? Should we go down to the 15 seconds? Thanks. Did you learn that in Q? Yeah, rhythmic plum, good. A tip that helped me is reducing the large in trading size down to 40. Good data pro doesn't exceed. It was G-trap. Ah, yeah. What's the win rate of that? Which one? My favorite through the is the job of trade to make. Yeah, exactly. I took that long. I'm good, Pop. Should we go down to 50 seconds, bro? I want to see this on the 15 seconds, how we looked. Okay, so on the 15 seconds, it was super clear, but this is what I wanted to see on the 1 minute. Maybe we should play it on the 50 today because the volume is so low. So you break below. This is a failed auction. It's really simple, clear. We break below, we come here, we retest right here. You entry here, or you wait for reaction. If it rejects and comes here, you enter here, stop loss above, and rest is history. I think we might have to play it today on 15 seconds, to be honest, because nobody catches this if you don't place a stop loss here, a stop sell limit. Yeah, let's go down also in contracts so I can see more information. Oof, this was so clear. I'm back to 18. Aggressive AAA. I don't want to test my luck. Yeah, today, guys, demo. Value areas or delta level, which is better? Delta. Guys, I'm a ES trader and I want to backtest NQ, and what are the best chart settings time-wise? Depends on how you want to trade. 5 minutes, 1 minute. It depends purely on how you want to trade. I've reached a point in my trading career where I don't get mad at losing genuinely, because I understood the principle of probabilities. And if you guys have a hard time like problems with it, go search up a game named Backgammon. Search it up, go play it, come back in 2 weeks. You will understand. And the market is exactly like that. Exactly. It's a game of probability. I usually use range on ES. Okay, nice. What is the name of the game? Backgammon. Let me show you guys. This. Go play this. Go play it. Understand it. You're not gonna get mad anymore if you understand it. This is how the market works. Comes from David Paul, one of the legendary traders. What is speed of tape? It shows how fast orders are coming into the market. It's like a foot on the pedal, how fast they are entering, how much or so on. Oh, that Turkish game. Yeah. Go play it. It's really good. It's good for your mental health. It's good for like in trading. It's gonna help you process losses. As you can see, when I lose, it's fine. We go next. That's okay. How can you know the probabilities are actually in your favor? You study volume. I like that question. You study volume. You never know the probability if they like if it's gonna hit, but you can get a little higher probability of winning if you study volume, because volume is the results of price. So if you study who is winning, who is losing, you're aligning yourself with who is controlling, right? So study volume. That's how you can. That's an answer for you. Bro, you don't use footprint? No. No. Okay, value yellow. Sellers trapped. I like it. I'm gonna be a little aggressive here. I would like to see a retest down here, I'm gonna be honest. But let's see. And it's small distance. You have this and you have this right now. The aim would be up here, but this is like entering up here, then it's not the most, you know. I want to see some more information. They are holding it. Gap. This is on 15 seconds though, so yeah, thing might go really fast and flick you out. Okay. I don't think this is really, if you're gonna cover yourself again at poke, this is not worth it. To go break even, you aim for value area high. Nah. More opportunities will come, right? Okay, nice. I like it. Come down here. I want to see a test of this. Yeah, this is a good place. Nice. 50 contract. They are pushing here aggressively. So if these guys fail here, let's see some more evidence, something. What do I want to see before I take a trade? Trap buyers, trap sellers. I want to see a test here. Reaction. If no reaction, we might flip actually. And now I want to see some aggressive buyers destroying all of this. Look at the speed of tape. Buyers are pushing. Failed. Sellers holding it. Yeah. Good. From this whole move, we got a big cluster of buyers here. Right here. And a high volume node. Yeah, we might get some reaction here. Let's go down to the 1 minute instead. We had a breakout from this range now. So we're most likely gonna get the retest up here. I think I wanna try to anticipate the retest up. Because we are back at these trapped sellers. All of this. Screw it, let's try this day on 50 seconds. Can be a good experience. Okay, sellers, no results. I'm trying it. Let's see. This is really aggressive approach. They retested, they bought it up. Let's see. I don't like how they rejected up here. I think we're gonna go lower now. If it goes above here now, I'm gonna wait. If it goes above, I'm gonna de-risk. I'm de-risking. Gap. If close above, we're gonna squeeze up, most likely. There you go. Gap here. I'm de-risking, risking 180. We didn't fill the gap. But we closed above, so we got this squeeze already. Another gap. Let me give it some room. Why not? Okay, gap got filled. If this fails, it's gonna go lower. We already de-risked, so it's fine. Oi, another reaction. Yo, 15 seconds is super like... Yo. Stuff goes super fast. Okay, stop. Okay, now bar stepping. I'm going for another try. Let me try. I want it to take me with it. I like this. I really like this. This is nice. The thing, we didn't come down here and touch this level. However, I like this actually. Took the short on demo. Nice. Don't know how you can use the 50 seconds. Yeah, I know. That's why I like to practice on these type of accounts. Yeah, it's too fast for me also, but it's really a fun experience. Value area low. Now we touched here. I really don't know how one could trade on the 15 like mini contracts on a 50k account. I really like, you risk $300 per trade, but you're like, you lost, how much is that out of $2,000? Okay, maybe in evals it's fine, but funded, no chance. I think we're gonna come down to value area low on the current day's profile. Yeah, sellers are definitely controlling now. Oi, oi, oi. Something to look at. Look at this CVD. Sellers enter, good results. Re-enter, good results. So they are controlling as of now. Now buyers are starting to re-enter here. No good, not good results though. But now they are starting to coming into the market. You're trying IVB model, right? Kinda. I trade in the direction of IVB, but yeah. I don't know if IVB is a model directly. It's more like a framework, right? It's a narrative. We break IVB high, we bullish. We break IVB low, we bearish. So I guess, but yeah, that's, yeah. I think IVB should have turned to what is called consolidation now, right? Yeah, we failed at the top miserably. This is interesting to try. I want to see if they recover them. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. Retest. No, man. Come on. Give us some retest before you go. Somebody catch this? Oh, yo, look at the speed. Up to poke. Round number 24,500. This is where options also gonna get executed. Ah, man. We found the first trap sellers up here. This was a opportunity right here. Yeah. You know where it famous bro? The view up. I swear. I did. Nice. Yes, once I be poke. Caught that long. Oi. TP at poke. I mean stopping fucking nice, guys. Huge. Yeah, look at that VWAP test. To 24,444. Ah, okay, you enter here. Nice. Good. Caught the move. You might ride it all the way up to RTH, the gap fill. Let's see if we go past VWAP. Or value really high. Doesn't matter. Same stuff. Yo, if you catch this move from here, stays here, so cover below, and if you aim for the RTH gap fill, you're gonna get a 1, 2, 5, 4. 1 to 5, technically, yeah. Looks very good. Bison came in like the rocket. Okay, shit. I should have let it go, to be honest, but I didn't want to get greedy. Profits. If you take profits, that's fine, bro. You don't have to. Don't go for the hero. 1 to 2, 1 to 3, that's fine. We're gonna break. Let's see. We're gonna break. Or we gonna do jack shit. Let's see. Yo, thank God I didn't trade my prop from this week. Thank God. But yeah, so this area down here, this is where I want to take a long, but no trapped sellers. It came in right here, so it's unfortunate. Maybe CVD showed something. I can't even fucking put it. Okay. So we're failing up here. Well. Back to the range we go. On this whole move up, look at these levels. Most significant ones. Right here. And this is also a retest of the structure that we broke. Let me go down to the 15 seconds and try to catch it if we get something. So what do I want to see? Well, trapped sellers, buyers, something. I want to see something entering the market. Gap. Well, let me go fix the window. Let's see if we get something, some sellers, something, bro. If not, I'm gonna enter here. Gonna cover below. Quick to break even. But okay, too fast. 15 seconds, man. My bad on that one. Maybe we'll get continuation here. Squeeze up. Let me see a squeeze up. There you go. Gap. Yeah, I'm gonna trail it fast. Okay. Plus 200. Yeah, that was a little miss from me. I was too early on the stop loss. Oh, otherwise it's gonna be a good play. Okay, what did we make? 250, something like that, right? I hate this market regimen. Can it? Took that short from 495. Nice. Fail again. Yeah, no. Yeah, today, guys. Demo, guys. I'm telling you guys, demo. Don't go one another. We don't give a shit about it. No way. Nice, good trade. Thank you, bro. It was, bro. This is on the 15 seconds, so the stop loss is really tight, but Do you see where we entered on the first trade? Hello. So entry was here. As soon as I saw it push up, I went break even, came back, flicked me out, sent it. Took a retest of this and up to POC. Small scalps. Yeah, I'm definitely not gonna trade on 50 seconds when we come back to a normal trading market. This is too fast, this is too volatile, and yeah. Also got it. Nice, bro. Do you see how can I say it? Do you see how good the levels are? Price comes down in this area, reacts. Price comes up to this area, reacts. Price comes down to this area. We pre-market it before it happens. It reacts. Like, do you see the precision? And it's so still to this day, since I learned it, like, it's still blowing my mind, I swear. Now the real task and the most difficult thing is to the difficult thing is to find these areas, of course, or it's not difficult, but yeah. The other part that I'm still working on is the timing. Definitely the timing. Once you get the timing, yeah, you get big moves, you make money, that's for sure. What do you think about the 24-hour market? Nothing specifically. I guess it's, I don't know. I think it's gonna be like wait, New York is not trading. Was it 24 hours with New York session? Was that the change that they're gonna fix? If that's the case, then yeah, I don't know. I don't think we're gonna get volatility throughout the whole day, I'm gonna be honest. I don't really think it. Okay, we got sellers here. Here's the battle right there between them. What's time? 15:45. Okay. How much long am I gonna stream this? Well, maybe 45 minutes more. We gotta start executing more so we can end the day. Let's look for some longs, some wins, something, maybe. Let's look. Here's a trick for you. Low to high. Plot this one out. Watch how it reacts. It usually reacts from here, the blue line, because this is the swing and we're ranging. Come down here. We're gonna see if we get the reaction. Let me plot it some other color. Yeah, there. Which country you from? I think you asked me like 3 times, bro. I'm from Serbia and Sweden. Gotten it like I think 3 times. Ranging day. We love it. We so love it. Trap sellers. Absorption level. Down here we came again. Gap. This area is really interesting. And if this one fails, we're gonna go back down here. Okay, we're gonna take the value real low soon. Right there. Down here. What's your P&L today? I think we're negative 300. Yeah, we made back fast trade. Could have been more. I'm from Serbia. Nice, Excel. Does Deepchart support my? Yeah, it does. Did IVB confirm the long buy? It did, but bro, look at the days. It's gonna range, bro. Yeah. Ah, in India. Nice. What prop? Lucid. But I'm not trading on Lucid today. I'm trading Deepchart contest. That's why we are executing on 50-second time frame. You gotta add that to the stream. Where you from? Yeah. Oh, you gotta be joking. Ah, I see. Now we got a range in a range. I think this is gonna reject and we're gonna send it lower. And I'm not so opposed to not taking it. I want to try go more aggressive now. This is some really intraday scalping. None. Extended. Well. Touched book. Yeah, I'm gonna try it. Screw it. We gotta take some trades on this account. Let's cover really fast if it sends it in a direction. Okay. Cover above, risking 285. I want to see a continuation all the way down here. Yeah, I don't like that. Coming for a stop loss, and we're back to where we began. Oof, good that I killed it there. Is anybody trading a funded account today? If so, how is it going for you? Whoa, check this sell level. Oi. Yeah, this is a good level. Somebody gonna take the squeeze again? Who here is gonna bet for the breakout? Watch it fail 4 times in a row. I'm Korean. Nice, man. 15 seconds pure epilepsy. Yeah, definitely. And I would not recommend this time frame. What the hell happened now? Yo. What? It's good that buyers are lifting the offer, but sellers still fighting. That's why it's a ping pong mark, but structure why it's going up since the open. Yeah. I'm at break even in funded. Okay, nice. I am up 500. Nice. Down $24 on my fund. $24. Nice. Had some longs on the first push. In contest was up 4k, now minus 1,000. Oof. You can reset it, bro. I have $34. Woo! Nice, man. Yeah, as long as you don't blow accounts today, okay? Just like look at the market open. Just trade it slowly or trade on demo. Like I said, it's the best on these days. This week, to be honest, this week demo accounts. Of course, you can make money this week, but yeah, it hasn't been. Oh, I like this gap. Want to see the gap fill? I'm gonna go aggressive. I'm gonna go aggressively. I have to cover myself faster than I usually do because it usually freaks me out. Whoa, good thing. Plus 70. You see what I mean? Gap. Yeah, this is purely in the range. This is not good, guy. 25,000, bro. This is an option level as well. Round number and option level. We're gonna get the squeeze up to take out the value area high. I'm in the 50, not bad. Oh, nice. No more trades today. Okay. It's demo. Yeah, this is deep chart contest, not prop firm account. So technically demo. This is not something I paid for. This was actually free to join. So yeah. I wouldn't trade on 15 seconds, bro, if this was a prop like a fund. I can't trust that. I don't think I would take trades today. And then we got the move. Okay, got you. We got a gap up. Look where it failed again. No, you gotta be joking, right? Are you joking with me, man? You know, I don't know who said that, but VWAP, he did some backtesting. VWAP on ranging days is great, like it's crazy good. Look at this. Bomb, touch. Breakout, came back, sent it. Breakout, came back, sent it. But we got a good level at least. Test, sent it. Oh my days. You know, I get best trades in gold, swear. It's super directional gold, huh? shit, I got something back. Yeah. Where do I learn how I use VWAP? I don't know. Think Fabio explained how to use it on YouTube videos. VWAP. I think Andrea covered it. I don't know, to be honest, but Andrea covered it in his crash course with order flow. I think that. In downside, it's failed from the RT session VWAP. Yeah. From value height value using big trays working good. Yeah, definitely. The formation is good that the buyers can really push in that reply, but still coming back multiple times until they gave up positions. Are you gonna try trading gold? Nah. I see a lot of people doing gold. Nah. I'm married to Nasdaq. I'm going to learn this indices all like fully out. Learn it perfectly. I enjoy order from over any other price-based lens because it's discretional, but information you receive are objective. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, Andrea did. Yeah, that's true about order flow. It's really, it's objective, but like you say, subjective. In a sense, you might not look at 40 contracts like I do here. You look at 60, and you also might interpret this as like, oh yeah, you might see this like, oh yeah, we recovered them. I see this is at, no, we just retested and we might get a squeeze lower now, so it's still a discretionary side to trading, like a subjective side. Sometimes NQ is like a toxic woman. Yeah. You don't know where you have her, huh? How do you deal with non-stationary and underdefined mean and variance of some instruments? Non-stationary, so you mean when we're trending, and undefined mean and variance of some instruments. Can you give me an example of one of those instruments? When you said non-stationary, I learned it from machine learning that stationary is arranging, we're chopping, right? My bad. I mean, a fixed. What is it called? How can I say it in English? Never mind. But can you elaborate a little more? Gotta tell your fiance that you're already married. Did you enroll to bootcamp buys? Yeah, exactly. Yeah, when it launched. What is the minimum volume you have on big trades on 1M? 60. But on days like this, okay, to be honest, I don't trade days like this, but 60. 30 contracts filtered. Right now I have 40, but I usually roll with 60, and Fabio does the same. Nasdaq. His question was really interesting. How do you deal with non-stationary, stationarity, and undefined mean and variance of some instruments? Give me an example of an instrument that 60 in Nasdaq, 150 in ES. I have no idea how it is in ES, but I assume ES has to be a lot larger because the volume is like double or triple, whatever it is. If this was a real day where I was like, okay, I'm gonna trade, like not on a Deepchart contest account, I wouldn't have no setups today. I'm gonna be honest. Why? Like, sure, we got area to take a buy from, but no sellers here. And then it's ended higher. Here, Sure, if I want to play the range. Once again, no participators. They entered here. No trap buyers. Here, nothing again. Like, nothing. No big players on the sides. How? But then you gotta filter out. And this is also on 40 contracts, not on 60. One has to go down to the 50 seconds to try to take trace of this. Low volume, yeah. What is your current statistics? Win rate, average RR, etc. I published in announcement, I don't know if it's still there, my equity line on one account. I think I was around 55 during that time in win rate. But so the equity is going higher but slow. Okay, it's going high but slow. And RR 2 RR 1.8. You know, it's like it mix because sometimes you scalp, sometimes you take. Yeah, I use 75 on ES now. Ah, okay. Why aren't you trading today? Because today is shit day to trade, bro. We are ranging, okay? We usually you lose mostly on ranging days. Fabio says this as well. If you have a ranging day, if you go out with a small loss, that's a win in his book. So yeah, I don't trade. I can see from the beginning with the low volume that I wouldn't trade. Non-station means the mean and variance change in time. Wait, did I mix up something? Yeah, but could you elaborate on what tool? What because you said some instrument. Undefined mean and variance means the alpha doesn't converge in the distribution tails. Undefined mean and variance means the. Yeah, my English it's not my first language. I learned all of this in Swedish. It might be a little hard for me to understand it, but I kind of understand it. Undefined means mean and variance means this alpha doesn't converge in the distribution tails. So there is no real mean or variance. Okay, so but what were you asking? Can you go translate to Swedish? Maybe I will understand. Bro, check Nasdaq scalp template in the deep team. The best working or big time for me. Nasdaq. Oh yeah, wait, one second. What do we think, guys? A fake out again? Oh, look at the they're entering. Oof, 174 contracts on the top. Are we getting the explosion now? Or are we getting a fake out again? Okay, they're entering. I don't know if I should bet on it because we have failed so many times. Let me see. Let's see the retest. Let me go down to 1 minute. Come on, load, bro. Entry here, cover below all of this. I have a good feeling this is gonna fail. I'm gonna be honest. We will have the Fabio model right now. Breakout, super clear breakout. Then we get some momentum, come back, retest here with something, and then send it. Or you take the aggressive entry and just enter purely here, stop loss below, and try to jump on the momentum. Pushing hard 50 minutes. Bridges say fake. Yeah, you think? You think it's a fake out? I don't know anymore, bro. We failed 3 times. I like the new thumbnail, bro. Yeah? Nice. This week I lost. Appreciate Magnus. Magnus Dahl. You're Swedish, huh? Nah. Look. Yo, I had a good feeling this shit is not gonna go. How many times that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 fails. Nah, man. And this is why I wouldn't trade my prop firm accounts today. You see how many times it fails? This week I lost. Well, oof, unlucky, bro. For example, Nasdaq is non-stationary. The mean variance changes through time, so standard deviation are not reliable. Okay. Already feeling dodgy. Let's see if they accept price higher. Yeah, bro. I don't trust this price action. Norway. We have a neighbor, a Grane. It's ping pong time. I think you might be right. Meaning that if we do back this for 10 years, it doesn't mean anything in terms of edge, since the mean variance change through time. We would be assuming that the station when it's not. Okay. Nice. So what is your trading approach, if I may ask? Yo, this has gotta be a joke, right? I love it. One guy asked me, why don't you trade today? Do you see this, bro? We failed here. We failed here. We failed here. We came up here. We didn't even get some participation. And now, guess what? We fail here again. Fucking hell. I enter sell at 24,570 target. Wait, you took a short up here? 24,700. What did you take your short based off? I don't see anything that like justifies this short. We were in explosion. Obviously it's paying you, no wonder, but I don't see anything from order flow that tells me, oh yeah, we're gonna fail here. We're back at the retest. You know, it still might go because we're still back at the retest. However, this is the low. Oh yeah, no, never mind. We retested here. Watch it send it lower. Or if we recover them, I'm gonna bonus today. I don't know what. Guys, good luck. Good luck, guys. I'm not gonna put some ideas in your head. Good luck. Best place to long was down here. We didn't get the entry here, so that was it. We engineered liquidity. Okay. 70%, isn't it? For arranging days, or yeah, we most likely range 70% of the time. Where what was it? Quantitative methods. Okay, what type of methods? Quantitative methods. Are you using machine learning to take trades? Have you a model developed something like that? Yes, you can. Yes, you cannot see it because I have my secret failed auction and trap liquidity model based on level 3 order flow. Oi, I'd rather win 3 trades today. Level 3 order flow. Yo, I know level 2 is like that's the level people go to, but what the hell is level 3 order flow? Oh, you have a Bloomberg terminal there. What's classified as level 3 order flow? I mean, with 4 micro contract, wish me luck. At least it's not minis, but good luck, bro. You see deleted orders. Okay. Mostly usually statistically methods and casualty. Level 3 data is MBO in CME. MBO. How is that treating you? Is it good? Oh wait, you mean like bookmap? Isn't this level 2? I'm so keen to watching the Iman trading video about TGR. It's like hack. I use Ninja. Okay. You can see all orders that enter or delete, etc. by ID. So spoofing. That's illegal, right? Yeah, spoofing is illegal, but pretty much it. You mean deleted orders. They put up some liquidity, some orders, and then they delete them as soon as they're close, and then sends it low. That's illegal stuff, though. That's illegal. So we had an illegal reversal of her, and my boy made money off it. Oh yeah. We have a felon, bro. This guy. What data feed do you use for MB? Okay, more like pulling and stacking. Swear, not me. With MB, you can see if multiple orders are from the same participant. Just saying what levels are. Okay. Big money never comes clean. That's true. Big money never comes clean. That's why we have so many Fugazi gurus and shit everywhere. God forbid they go and trade live and show if they can monitor an account or not. You know, it's not so hard like for these trading gurus. If you just like, if you have a decent edge, 50% win rate, 40, but you have a 2-to-1, 1-to-2 RR, that's something like that. Just come live, trade it, watch how you monitor it, and show your equity line like after some months. But I have like many people think that trading, like their equity line is like this. They make, for example, on a 50k account, somebody making 5k on a day. That's 250% if you think about you have a 2k drawdown. 250% in one day. And then they put it on YouTube. It doesn't take that much to be real. That's what I'm trying to say. It really doesn't. And it's not that hard. I try often to share my trades here, but some people think I am sending signals so I don't share. You don't have to share your trade. You can just tell me how it went, where you entered, and then just say why you entered. It's good for practice purpose. That's why I was hesitant in like... I don't want people to treat some stuff like this stream. Some people might take some trades. Like I had a guy, for example, I took a trade and he wrote to me on Discord. He said, thanks to me, I managed to get him funded. And I was like, but brother, if you treat my YouTube, my stream as signals, how are you learning? I mean, like, you just take the trade, of course you can learn and so on, but it's not the purpose. So many people did that on Fabio's Q1 session, Q1 stream. What's it called? Mentorship. People asked him, when are you taking a trade? When are you doing this? Let us know when you're going to take a trade. Like, you're not here to learn them, bro. You're here to just milk money. And if you lose, you get mad. So what? I try often to okay. Denali, for example, has them. That's the point. It's not hard to be real, but they exploit the trading community with gains and attract newbies and scam them. 100%, 1000%. And please don't fall for people like that. If you watch, where is my? Like I don't know if you've been here on my streams, but throughout my stream and when I show my results and so on, my results are like, oh, make 200, 250 a day, you know, 150, 250, not 5k. I don't make 250% in a day. Others do, maybe. I don't. If others do, good for them. I don't do it. If I pay 1k to watch someone trade, then I would also took signals. But that means you're there for wrong reasons. The knowledge is gonna give you so much more. If you look at money that way, like if you pay for Fabio's Q1 mentorship and you dare to take his signals, good luck. All I can say is good luck, to be honest. Good luck with that. And instead of paying attention when you are like side to side with a really with a legit trader, listening to him like, okay, bro, what is he thinking right now? Like looking at your chart and he speaks. Instead, you're waiting for executions. Then, bro, you're gonna miss out on everything. Sure, you can rewatch the video. It's not gonna be the same thing. You're not gonna feel the same emotions in the same time. I don't know how to explain it. It's hard. Oh yeah, you guys wrote quite a lot. It's like you said in Fabio, can you make more trade recap videos? Really love your content. Yeah, I can make. This week has been really bad, but when we get a good week again, yeah, sure, definitely. Was geht ab, bro? Okay, I'm not German, but good, huh? Hi, so you attend the Fabio? Yeah, we only fall in your. Oh, yeah. I mean Fabio Q1 and Q2 also. Okay, nice. Copy somebody is just unreliable. Yeah. Still trailing my nice, man. Nice. Good luck on this sell. You're making good big bucks now on your illegal trade setup. Yeah, can you tell I'm learning a lot in him? I love it. Yeah, definitely. Record all. Record. I publish the insider and the right hand of Jeff. Okay, what the hell? I book 50% at 24,500. Nice, man. Also, the girl trader Tori trades have mentorship program, but when you take it, it's not even her who teaches you on their Discord. Some random guy teaching about lines and the bonds and thing. What the hell? Saw Patrick Whelan expose that shit. Wait, so you're taking her mentorship, but she's not the one teaching? Yo, it's like, yeah, I want Fabio's mentorship, but then we got, yeah, who do we got pulling up? What's that McDonald's trader? Who's that? What's his name again? Okay, guys, I'm have to end the stream soon, so let's execute some trades so we can get done with this day on the deep chart contest. In other words, I'm gonna force trades, and this is not something you should follow. Listen now, I'm forcing trades. You don't follow this, okay? So I'm not waiting for good setups. I'm trying to either reach daily drawdown or get 5k, because this is the contest. Even TG, yeah, I'm gonna watch that. That's what I'm looking for it. Where are the IB levels? I have turned them off. It's on the high. It triggered 3 times IBB long and it failed. Pavlovich, Jeffrey, Steve. All in, bro. Ay. I swear, some people when they trade. Okay. I was looking, but why did my car just get enabled for parking? What the hell? Okay, never mind. Yeah, nice, Jignesh. From this perspective, no idea why you took it, but you said you saw some spoofing. So this was an illegal setup. And good stuff, bro. I'm happy you made money. You know what I hope? I got the same thing. IBD this week doesn't work. Yeah, it's been a raging week. That's one thing. That's a good indication. If IVB doesn't like set in and go, that means we don't have a trending day, clearly. But we want to see you stream riding a Bugatti or Lambo and trading a yacht and posting like you make 100K a day. Yeah, I genuinely hope traders will come in that go into this industry. If you got any content creators or something like that, people that, by the way, check my camera. Sony A3. This is a really good camera. I think it goes for around 3K. And the lens, with the lens, $3,000, something like that. 3.3, something like that. It's a fucking great camera. Take some trade, Puff the Gambler. Yo, don't stample, how you say? How you say it? Don't label me as a gambler, guys. I'm not a gambler, yo. Legit. We're gonna keep it professional. I know it's for the jokes, but some people might think it and they might get scared. Like, what the fuck? But yeah, hopefully. Hey, now we're talking. You need a cameraman? Yeah, bro, this is now you guys just fucking trolling. Okay. No, we keep it real here, guys. Paul, tell your daily routine and what you do other than trading. I run daily routine. I'm pursuing a master's degree in computer and system science. That's one thing. I have another business. Yeah, can't share about that. I have another business, and thanks to that and some other stuff, yeah, I'm making a good living actually out of it. And trading is more of a, how can I say it? I want to transition more into trading so I can ease off that business. Same, I'm doing AI engineering too. Nice. He walks the dog after stream. He owns a club and sells drugs. Now that's my side hustle. That's something else, bro. You're from which country? Serbia and Sweden. No, but I have my daily routine is how you say it? Daily routine. I got work every day, like 24/7. Like really, non-stop. I end the day at like 11 o'clock. Then I can chill, do something. Till then, since like 8 in the morning, 7 in the morning, I work on stuff. This is like my free time, trading, streaming. This is also I enjoy it. It's really Nice. But I have a lot of stuff. Daily life of a CEO. This should be a nice short. Yeah, let's see. He's cocaine. Selling drugs. Oy, oy, oy. I want to get into, but yeah. Let's wait. So I love that camera. It's so good. Are you trying too long? Yeah. Ranging, value area low. Yeah, I'm waiting. Let's see if we get something. I want something so I can either take the last trade and that's it. Wait, now that I look at it. Okay, we have a good level here already. And we have a range. No participation. I see nothing from big sellers or buyers. Nothing. I would like to see something, some participation. I don't understand what's going on today. My entry 453. Huh? What? Bro, just look short trades. Nah. I don't want to short in value area low. I don't want to look for shorts here. Yo, we got the mole setup forming. Mole setup. 15-second time frame. This is crazy. Scheiße. I'm shorting now. All right. You might get a good short down to value area low actually. So let's see if it pays you out. Oi, oi, oi. Yo, do we have a market maker in the chat? Yo, who's this guy? Yo, he said I'm shorting now. Market just sent it. Hey, yo. Somebody get a hold of this guy, bro. Yeah. I'm looking at this buy level here, this delta level. I like it really, really much. Phew, man, a good one. No, but for real, bro. I'm shorting now, bro. And then price, it followed, bro. Like Fabio says, today a remote control for him. Yeah, we're gonna rebalance this most likely. Surely we got some big participation from the buyers, right? Something. And I'm waiting till we come down to this buy level. We have our area. We have our area. Significant buy level. This is AAA setup. 1 to 8 is price comes down here. Then we want to see some trapped sellers and some aggressive buyers. And it's value area low. So this is a fucking good setup. Let's see if it goes. If it gives us. We real balance to IB high. Yeah, most likely. The real question is, yeah, by the way, is everybody, how many people here have looked like, how many people are thinking this idea right now? That the one that I'm thinking, but not from what I said. Like, you didn't get it from now when I said it, but before I said it. Has anybody gotten the same idea? So basically, we are in a range, clearly. Value area low, significant buy level here. So want to look for trap sellers, aggressive buyers, and try to send it higher. How many here had the same idea? Bro, does deep effort really... It's good. It is good, but it's not like the... I don't know how I feel about deep effort, to be honest. It's good, but it's not the magic cure. I'm gonna be honest, it's not it. It's good to frame and get some information fast, but I don't use it because I don't want to be a slave to an indicator. 1, okay. How about Atas? What's up with Atas? Atas is good, it's robust. Atas looks heavy. Yeah, Atas is... Oh, ho, ho. Atas is good. Wait 1 second, bro. This is the part where you try to time it right. I want to see some trapped sellers. $24,390 is the true low. Yeah, what is that in? What is that as an institution? Basers? Wait, what is that? Can you rewrite? Okay, wait, this is good. Okay. Super clear setup right now. Value area low. Significant buy level here from the volume profile. Trap sellers, aggressive buyers. Okay, now we wait for them to get trapped and then to recover the aggressive buyers. Not financial advice. I like it. If it accepts below here and start more sellers entering here, yeah, we might go lower then. And I'm gonna turn off the stream then. Deep chart is really fucking, man, it feels like cheating. Yeah, it's clean. I like it as well. Buys. What is that as an institution bias? Sorry, bro. My English is already broken, bro. I need you to elaborate or write more. $24,400. That's our even number here. Round number. We're gonna get some big participators here, most likely. Okay, let's look. This is all about timing now. Hopefully we don't get that squeeze that sends it higher, like to poke in like one candle. And you fail to manage to catch it. What are you guys saying? If I see failed auction, big trades below, I buy. Okay, we need most. What the hell is that? How many trades have you taken already today? I just joined the stream. We took like 3, 4, something like that. It's nothing significant. But it's not just since you joined now. It's on Deepchart contest account, and it's more of forcing trades, not really taking any good setups. Good setups wise, nothing today. I would have taken a single trade today. This was my only setup I would have taken, but it wouldn't give me the entry. Now we're back at the zone, so it might give me my first ever legit trade of the day. So it's, yeah, gotta wait. I'm just in long. Okay. I might join on you guys as soon as I see the gap fill. Let's try it. I can risk 350. This is the first attempt. If it goes lower, we can re-entry and try it again. Wait, let me risk it accordingly to plan. 350, that's a good entry. Nice. Trap bar stop, not a good sign, really not. First attempt at the long. No rooms, no. Down still. Yeah, it might go lower, of course, but it's a good opportunity. You don't know. That's why it's a game of probability. You never know. It might go lower, it might go higher. Who knows? It might send it higher in like a second, like squeeze it. Of course, if it goes lower, stops us out, we have another opportunity to take it. That's your trading. It's a game of math if you think about it. You just have to be right once out of how many times. If you have a good risk reward, Say you make, I don't know, 1 to 5. Out of 5 times, I have to be right once, right? Let's see if he eats our stop loss. He ate it. Okay. Still trying it again. Re-entering it. Cover below it. There's the foot. Now they are sending it. This is the time. If they absorb here, it's gonna go lower. Ah, okay. They're starting to absorb it. Let's see. Oof. Oy, 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 oy. Now if it goes, it's gonna squeeze it. Yeah, there you go. What's up, Dark? Oof, trap buyers at the top, not good sign. This is a good way to end the stream though. Let's see. We are forming this small range. We can clearly see it now. We have one last attempt to take it. If it doesn't go then that's it. That's it. If I trade the micros, I would have entered here. Put my stop loss below this wick right here. This is on deep chart contest. You know we can do it so we can finish it. But I'm gonna take this on the demo either way. Okay. Let's jump here. I think we're gonna still fail here. Most definitely. It's about timing. When will we go up? The safe bet here. Closure above here. Because look, they fail, they come down. Trap sellers, trap sellers, trap sellers. If we recover these buyers, we're gonna moon it. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna moon it. Yeah, if it's good and if saying about, yeah, short. Are you shorted? Nice. Yeah, it's deep chart contest. I don't, this week I'm not gonna trade on funded or eval. No chance, bro. This is on deep chart contest account. No fail to sustain test for again below failed auction zone. I guess it will go. Yeah, let's see. I think this is a game of timing. We're gonna see when it's gonna send it. This is the what I'm working on right now. And I know what Fabio does here. He doesn't take those setups until we break structure. That's for sure. Let's give it a shot. Didn't break again. We need to close above. I was too early. You know what? How much can I risk? Are we gonna go down and take this high, this low? Gotta break above. If we don't break above, still no entry, to be honest. I just entered too early. Give us that squeeze. What is level 3? Yeah, I don't, Zen, bro, I just also heard it too. MBO something. They see spoofing and stuff, bro. That was this is some next level stuff. We broke above, but a real structure, like if you break really above, that's a more significant structure break. Is it time to send it? Failing, sellers are holding it up here. He's doing good. Go long should be good with micro. Yeah, definitely micro today, bro. Minis is quite hefty to use today. This week as well. Oh, are we really gonna play this range for another 2 hours? There you go. There's some power. Come on, Pav, do something. Should I make a call? Should I call them? Yo, guys, push this shit up. Are we really gonna fail? Ah, my days. Yeah, we closed above. It's gonna be like the trade we took, I think, yesterday. You take the trade, you wait like 50 minutes. And then it starts moving. And then we... Until then, nah. You know what I can see now? We close back below. Here's your battle. this and this. It's about to go up. I'm going to bed. Teach me how to check buys tomorrow, please. Okay, bro. Sure, I got you. It's about to go up, otherwise it'll go down for sure. Well, it has to go one direction. Either up or down. Yo, that's the beautiful part. Thank God market can't go any other direction. Either we go up or down. Now we have to predict or try to anticipate. Will we go up or down? Oi, oi, oi. Hopefully today, though. Hopefully today we will do something. I like this setup though. It's good. Value low, significant buy level. Sellers absorb, buyers entering here. Okay, just a wait time, just a matter of time when we will find enough buyers to send it higher. If this fails right here, then we're gonna send it lower and we will go bearish. But I'm gonna turn off the stream. Yo, today I'm gonna go make some tacos. Tacos. How you say it in English? I'm gonna go buy some groceries. Oh, guys, Nasdaq woke up. Would you look at that, huh? After 3 hours, we finally decided and we stopped bitching. Bum, bum, bum. Well, thank God, finally something. But look at this, bro. Wait, let me see if they didn't even reach something specifically. Just this absorbed. This is what they reached. Oh my days, what's going on now? Oi, oi, oi. Look at the sellers they are pushing. Look at the foot. Look at the foot. I'm going heavy on this. If he pushes above here, I'm gonna re-enter more contracts. Hypothetical. So if we go above here right now, all of these sellers has to cover themselves. So I think we will get the big squeeze and it's gonna send it. Okay, I can't put, never mind. Yeah, we're most likely gonna send it in. I want to see some momentum. No momentum. Take this high and I'm going break even. Take this high and I'm going break even. How much is that? Okay, I'm gonna wait. They failed miserably up here. Oh, it was because we were at poke. Okay, I got out for fucking. Okay, let's squeeze this account to the best ability we have. Rebalanced. I like how the only legit setup today was a win. Everything else was Fugazi. Nothing important. This was the only legit setup today. And it worked out. But you have to wait 2 hours. Sit by the computer 2 hours doing nothing, just Mm. Okay, let's monitor the trade as good as we can to our best ability. So if we go above here now, I can monitor it lower. Or I can trail my stop loss. Let's see if we get the squeeze up. Okay, this is the value area high. I want to make sure I take out some profits in. And we got value area high on this one as well. Let's see if we recover them. Don't want to give money back to the market. Trailing it. I take out 3 contracts if it goes below here. If it doesn't, I'm gonna secure, because this is value area high. It's a sensitive point and no point in giving back. Okay, thank you. Thank God we took some profits. Hope that made sense why though. I like to give. Here, I'm gonna risk $80. Why? I want to give this a chance. I want to give this a chance to then send it higher. I can put it to break even. If it goes higher now, I'm re-entering. Now I go break even here and I have another contracting. Technically the same, it's like break even still. Here. That's break even. So technically I got 1 free lot more. So now if we get the squeeze up higher, I like to take out some profit at this level. And let's not give back money again to the market. So what one could do is take out some more money here. Taking out 1 contract because it's failing, it's slowing down. So we're back to the same size that we had lower, but I got another free $700. Securing $135 more in case it goes lower. How much we need? 1,762. 3,000, something like this, yeah. Okay, the buy up. How much is this? Yeah, let's go break even. Who cares? But if they take this low, they're gonna most likely gonna go lower and take all of this. How much is the risk on this? $123. 3 point here. Never want to give back money to the market. Never. If you have a chance to take it, take the fucking money. Wait, is it VWAP up here? Don't play with me today, bro. That fucking VWAP. Whole day, bro, that VWAP. Took out another contract. Secured another $700. Want to see how it reacts. If it reacts good here, I'm gonna trail my stop loss higher. For now, we're securing how much? $80 at least. Yeah, it's literally right there. No, for real. Oh my god, you gotta be oh my days, of course it's here. Fucking okay, it's fine. We made 2.5k on it. All right. $2.5k on the contest account. Fucking VWAP. I don't have it plotted because I usually VWAP fucking, I don't know. I haven't found it so significant, but it's really good actually in ranging days. That's for sure. Did you like the long though that we took from the bottom? So if I held it without increasing size, that's a 1 to 3, but I increased the size, and then when I saw that it started to fail up here, I put it to break even and we got stopped out. But then I re-entered again after I saw this reaction. It was a good reaction from this candle, and then we took profits there. Good day, good, nice. I think many people won, huh? This was the only legit trade setup today. Legit, the only one. This one. Nothing else. I swear, nothing else. What's time? 7:15. Okay, I gotta go now. Bob, love you, bro. For people that are learning, this was a momentum setup. This was a real setup. Nothing else today. Okay. Only this. And it was a win rate. It was a win. And the second one was also a win. So it's in my eyes, 100% win rate today. 2 real good trades. I will meet you someday, I hope. Nice. Paul, what data are you using? I'm using Lucid. Remember, VWAP is wrong. Yeah, I'm using Lucid as well, bro. How is it wrong? Wait, did somebody take my setup? Like, Did somebody take that setup? Besides from, like before, how can I say it? I know that some people had the same idea, but did somebody signal bot took it like that in that way? And why don't you trade? What? Wait, what? What do you mean? I just traded. I just traded, bro. Do I need to use DXV to get? No, bro. It should be the same thing. What the hell? I don't know. That's weird. Wait, what? What do you mean by why don't you trade? Like I just took the trade. Yeah, but I got more early entry than yours. Ah, okay. Can you show which area you had marked in the below? Yeah, sure. So look, we can take it from here. It doesn't matter. Price hasn't reached it yet, you see? Zoom in, you see this? This is the area. Maybe I can do this trade recap for the YouTube. All right. So let me remove this. This was the only legit trade today, but yeah. Okay. We have a P shape, but we were ranging today. So plot the volume profile before market reached here. We see this significant buy level right here. Okay, we plot it out. That's our level. We zoom in, waiting for trapped sellers and winning buyers. We got trapped sellers, but we started to create a range down here as well. Keep that in mind. We started to create a range, but we got our trapped sellers. So entry, well, we broke above this. I was early, but the entry was technically this. Break above, retest, stop loss below, aim back to POC or higher, something like this. Price sent it. When this happened, I reloaded up here to get a break-even point. I don't know where it was, but I think it was here. After we retouched it, started to consolidate, yara yara, and I took out the trade. Not worth holding it with that size. After that, I had a stop buy right above here. So after we have dealt with this, because you look at this candle, you see this one came down, fast reaction, came up. So I had a stop buy here. And then I aimed for that. So 1 to 2. If somebody held it since this trade, that's a 1 to 4, 1 to 3.5, something like that. There's your trade recap. Target the wave of TP. Yes, nice. Yes, please. But demo. Yeah, I don't trade this week. I trade always prop firm, but this week I don't trade because it's shit market. That's why. It's not good market this week. Can you review your trades of today? Yo, it was quite a lot. This is the only legit trade. This is the only legit. The rest were just ping pong testing stuff, okay? This is the only trade today. So, nothing more. Those two. Thanks, man. But I think the time to... By the way, I think time to time it would be really valuable to make trade recap short if you got time. Yeah, sure. Don't blame the market, bro. I don't blame the market. I adapt to the market. If the market is shit, why would I trade the prop firm account? Like, what's his name? Khalil. Do you think Fabio trades every day? If you took the Q1 mentorship, you know this. He doesn't trade every day. He says it several times. If the market is shit and the market conditions are bad, he would not trade. He's just trading just because he had a session with everyone. So of course, I'm not gonna trade a shit market. Hope that's clear. How do you know? How do I know? Look at today. When we open up today, we were ranging. After 1 minute, we started to range. Then we went up. IVB failed 4 times. 5 times, my bad. We are clearly in a range. And the market is going really slow. That's how you know. Don't blame the game, blame the player. Fabio, private live stream delayed to tomorrow. He also doesn't trade every day. Well, it makes sense. Why would you? He's a trend follower trader. He's no point in trading ranging markets if you're a trend follower, in trend trader. Clearly, every time sellers are high, hitting the bids on that low, they're being absorbed and prices slowly migrating higher, showing buyers' interest in pushing it higher. Yeah, what was your first prop firm and how long until you got your first payout? First prop firm was Top Step. That was a while ago when I traded the ICT and that stuff. By the way, I'm not blaming the market. I ended the day green as well. I'm just saying I don't trade shitty markets. If that's what... I guess that's a way to not burn out yourself. I hope that's super clear. Like, why would you trade every day? I love how everyone here uses the same vocabulary as Fabio Valentini. Well, he's the mentor, right? Why would... What do you mean? He's the mentor, all right? So what I'm preaching is what I learned from him. Is there something wrong with that? I couldn't pass any prop firm in the last 2 years. Yes, same. Okay, no. In the beginning, when I did the TGR, I passed it, but I never got a payout. That's for sure. Mamma mia. It's not bad, just funny. Well, it's true. What? Of course, we're gonna take from Fabio. Who else? We're not gonna take from anybody else. Bro, I'm turning a little Italian while we're at it. Your analysis is garbage. Mamma mia. It's nothing bad, guys. Trust me, it's nothing bad to take from a real good trader. Vocabulary as well. Think like him. Learn from him. Adapt. Would you say the boot camp is enough knowledge? Yeah, you get all the tools, but you have to then put it together. That's the hard part. So you get all the tools, but you don't get the framework. Bellissimo. The sellers got absorbed. No, I use what Michael is teaching. Fair value gap and unicorn mode. Yeah, yeah, I'm only studying Fabio at the moment. I do have a real huge notion from him from every single video so far. Nice. Next video, you're gonna wear a Nasdaq cap. Are you mad, bro? Wait, what's up with this guy? Is he mad? Are you mad that I'm taking stuff from Fabio? Huh? What the fuck is it with people? Wait, really? No, but for real now. What's triggering you, bro? Let me hear. I think it's sarcasm. No, I don't think it's sarcasm. I'm gonna be honest. I don't really think it. It sounds a little passive aggressive. No, but for real, what's triggering some people? Or let me know if you're sarcastic, because it's hard to how can you say it? Interpret from a screen. I can only see text. I don't have money. Could get Fabio teaching record somewhere in the website. Oh, bro, I don't know. No. I'm not into that recently. It seems like this guy. Oh, you were joking, bro. Nah. Don't play like you were joking. I felt some passive aggression from you, bro. Don't play like you're gonna turn it right now. Are you serious, bro? But I can only read the chat, guys. I don't know how people are. Like, how can I understand this, man? It triggers him to see you have good trades and laugh at it while he says he can't pass an even in there. Yeah, okay, wait, ping. pause. Bro, if Khalid, what's your name? Khalid, if you're joking, bro, you have to by all means, I'm open for criticism, but I don't think you were joking. I'm gonna be honest. I don't think that was joking. I think you're just backing off now because everyone is. By the way, can you talk a bit more of background, like what you're doing before trading? What do you think that people start trading with no income or low? Oh, my background, bro. I don't know. It has nothing to do with trading, to be honest. My background, because it's my background, bro. I'm in the same boat as everyone. We take the boot camp from Fabio. We learn from him. We take the Q1 mentorship. Besides from that, nothing more. But if my background more, besides from trading, bro, I have business in other stuff, and I have master degree that I'm pursuing here. And yeah, quite busy schedule. So, but this has nothing to do with trading. It doesn't benefit me in any sense. I'm just really focused, and I have a lot of stuff going on. Yo, Khalil, I felt like you were actually a little mad. I'm gonna be honest. I think some people there might agree with that. Yeah, I might publish this trade, only this. I will publish this break-even stop. I'm not sugarcoating anything. And I will publish this win. Yeah. Guys, you don't trade today, it's shitty, and just don't trade to the shitty job. If you're a mean reversion, if you're a range player, trade by all means. But just from statistics, like Fabio says, 40-30% you're gonna get stopped. Like, that's the statistics, and why go against it? It's not ideal. Trending days is more up to the 60%, 70, something like that. Just read it again. If it's triggering you, you might have some problems. No, I don't get triggered. I don't get triggered. It's that some stuff here, I'm gonna tell you guys, some stuff that some people say is like, no shit, like really no fucking shit, no shit. Like, oh, he said Fabio says tomato, I say tomato. No shit. And some people might say, like, why are you copying him? What the fuck do you think, bro? It's not a question of trigger. It's like a question of like stupidity, if I'm gonna be honest. Like, what the hell do people think? I don't know how to more explain it. I have his voice when I'm trading. But that's what I mean. Like, we all come from because one guy, he wrote to me and he said, why are you copying Fabio? And I'm like, What do you mean? Like, if you copy his trading model? I'm like, yeah, of course. He's a legit trader. He makes money, so of course I'm gonna follow what works. I'm gonna learn from my teacher, my mentor. I was like, bro, what are these fucking questions, bro? What? I don't get triggered, gets triggered. Okay. Yeah, some stuff just doesn't go. Some stuff goes in here, out the other side, huh? Does Fabio use programmatic backtest? Yeah, yes, alpha research. I have some more time to kill. Yo, I'm down. He was asking if you're hating. Go rewind the life. Screw it. Never mind. Never mind. You're right. I'm wrong. Okay? Let's leave it like that. Fucking hell. Why do you do what's proven to work? It doesn't make sense. Why do you do what's proven to work? What? 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 What do you mean? Like, why do I use stuff that works? Oh my god, bro. No. You guys can you can't write this shit, bro. I can't. It's not like you are here so you can twist. Guys, I'm just reading the fucking chat, okay? I can't, like, you can't say stuff. It's like you're saying, you come in here and you're like, oh, fuck you. And I'm like, okay. It's not that I can, like, interpret how you said it. Bro, we also, bro, no, hell no, you guys are fucking this. You have a little bit of passive aggressive mindset. Nah, joking. Okay, now I see. You guys are fucking here. Yeah, it's hard to, like, it's hard to filter between people that are joking and not joking, because some people, I'm gonna be honest, some people write to me DMs and they're like, I can't, something, I don't want to laugh because I don't know if it's for real. And because some people can write to me a question like, here, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Some people might write to me a question like a really stupid question, and I, like in general chat, for example, and I think they are joking, literally joking, but they are for real. And sometimes some guy can, like, do a joke, and no, he can say something that he means, but it comes out as a, like, I interpret it like a joke. That's how I've been doing it most likely, like in the recent time. Oh my god! And then my English is fucking. Yo, it becomes just a shit show. I have to explain something in English, but it's not my first language, and then I have to explain. You guys, screw it. But just so everyone know, I'll never get frustrated or mad if somebody tells me something. I just don't know how to align myself to it. Never mind. We're sitting together in a group, rage baiting you in real life. Oof, in real life, I'm more, how can you say it? In my language, you say vas. I'm more vas. I grew up in a neighborhood where you rage bait really much, and I love it because we like to, how you say when you shit show, like you talk shit to each other. I don't know how you say it in English. You are my mentor because I cannot afford original Fabio, but I can a team version. It's you, love you, but what the fuck? Do you see yourself day trade full time? Bro, if full time means 2 hours, 2 hours a day, then yeah, definitely, bro. It's like no, I won't like to. I won't be full time trading this. No, do full time trading. It's not good for your heart. You're gonna die early. I'm gonna be honest, bro. The stress is not good for you, especially if you deal with a lot of money. I've been here too since started stream, so I know how others think towards him. Even his laugh gets a hate in the comment. Like, yeah, exactly. So I don't know where I'm gonna put. Like, I don't know if you're joking, if you're not, if you're like, bro, where the fuck? How can I know it, bro? What's? I don't what. Nah, he means without having a job. Who? What? I'm waiting for something. Wait, don't say. Okay, I gotta go in 2 minutes. Ugh. You should rename your channel to Unemployed Community. All right. You know, it's a fun thing. I'm gonna vote with you, Khalil. In the beginning, I know, you know, and I know, I can sense it. You're actually serious. But now you twisted it and you're trying to play the other side where you like rage baiting. I know how it goes, bro. Don't worry. How did you get Fabio Bootcamp and how can I join it too? I bought it on the release. So does this demo account also count fees? Deepchart contest, no. Yes, it does. I mean, trading as a main occupation and a main source of income, even if it's just an hour a day, if that's your trading plan. Yeah. No, I'm leaning to going for more passive income. So I'm gonna go more into, like, put my money into dividends and stuff. And I have a business on the side, like I told you. So it really eases off the stress from trading. That's why I don't get so bothered as well. I don't know if you guys want to make it in trading. You gotta, like, good luck, of course. It's gonna put a lot of stress on you if this is your main way to succeed. Yeah. But no, it's not gonna be my full time. But I'm treating it as a full time right now. I'm always gonna treat it as a full time, but I'm not gonna half-ass it. I'm not gonna go. Yeah, that's how you say it, right? Half-ass it. Tell that to the guys in Discord. Yeah, we got some crazy people in Discord. I'm gonna be honest. We got some people. What kind of business? Meth. Yeah. Exactly, bro. What happened today in this, Fabio's? Seems like Fabio traded today and didn't go so good, huh? How old are you? 24. We can be partners. You know the business and I know the chemistry. Zaza. Coca. Hush. I think the guy was joking about the meth, by the way. Now I get a sense that you got triggered, bro. Yo. Oh shit. senses are off, my man. Yeah, let's leave at that then. But I'm gonna hold on to it. I think really, genuinely, I really believe you got you were serious in the beginning and now you're trying to play it off. This is like a way to sugarcoat it. You're gonna sleeping ASMR too with that mic. Swear? You wanna see? Wait 1 second. I'm waiting for the text so we can go. Oh, didn't I say I love that everyone uses the same vocab? Okay, buddy. All right, little bro. My bad. Wait a minute. I'm gonna start. Stop. We know what you wanted to say, bro. It's fine. We forgive you, okay? There's no point in trying to play it off now, okay? There's no point. We forgive you. Hope we see you tomorrow. Who's we? There's nothing to play off, my man. We know. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Leave it now, okay? Drop it. Drop it. It's fine. You don't have to prove your point. We forgive you, okay? Sorry, did I miss something? How was market for you today? Boring. But we took two legit trades today. I'm gonna publish a video about a short about it actually. Pav, you're a chill guy. You are the guy people want as a mentor. I don't think I had the brain. I don't think I have the patience for that. I'm gonna be honest. Nah, little bro. Recap them, please. I'm gonna do a short about it. I can make a short about it because I have to go soon. I'm just waiting for a message. Include me in the short. Easy. Yo, don't Yo, I told you he gets triggered. I told you. Yo, Khalil. You know we can sense it. It's okay, bro. You don't have to keep going at it, bro. I'm trying to connect Maluz. How do I do it? They have a video about it. You can look it up. Do you know when the deep charts will be available monthly so I can beat you in trading? I don't know. Like take it easy, kind of. He was joking. Oh. All right. Pav, see the sky. Hypersonic missile is coming. Let it come, bro. Let it come. There was nothing to take easy though. Yeah, he is. He says he's cool and shit, but then calls you little bro. You respect the man and calls him little. He called me yeah, that was my mistake. It was a reaction just. Hi, Pav. I mean, B2 Bomber right now with President. He's saying hi to you. Okay, bro. What the fuck? What is this? Is this a late night? What? I don't know how you say it in English. Never mind. Never mind. Late night shit show. No, but it's like the people are in my language. You say efter slap. I don't know how you say it in English, but yeah, never mind. Please drop one in Belgium. Okay. Somebody trading this? Someone's shadow pass on the mirror behind you. Yeah. What's up, Don Sal? How can I use this template? We have it in Discord. You can go watch it. We can download it. Go to Nomad's library, archives, Deepchart templates. No worries, bro. Well. Take the short and long, down for day, me reverting day. Yeah, it was a really ranging day today. Today we only had 2 good setups. This was our trades. Then we've got some shit show trades here. So we got stopped out on the first 2. Then we entered here. Re-entered here, break even, enter here, took out profits here, ended the day plus 2.5k. Nice, yeah. Thanks, man. I swear, if English wasn't such a barrier for me, I think my streams could have been much smoother. I don't know if you can see it, but my pic is with... For real? No way. Wait, no, I can't see it. Let me just search you up on YouTube. Let me search it up on YouTube. Nah, Paul, your English is good. It's your personal joke. No, I know you guys. I know you guys are joking. I don't know about the new people. I know the OGs. Trust me, that's no problem. I know. I've been with you guys for a while. Okay, it's like 3 months now, right? I have a good feeling. I have a good idea of everyone, of you, but I don't know the new guys. That's the thing. Where you from? Sweden and Serbia. What's your name? Donsile87. Donsile97. Like Zen, if you wrote to me in this, like, fuck you, I'm gonna... Like, look at Rio. No, what's his name? Alex. He wrote to me. And then you can also, we're having a banter, of course, and I like it. Like, look at like Peng and Rio and everyone's trolling. We're having fun because I know you guys. I don't know new people. Well, as a viewer though, they should mind that and know that it's not your native language, so sometimes comprehension might be a little off if you are new. Yeah, I'm gonna be honest. But of course, if you are here for a while and I have a good feeling about how you are and so on, we are trolling because the market's like, yeah, like if I know who you are, go all in, bro. I like to joke. I'm not the guy that takes... Why can't I find him? Donsal97. Yo, Don, what's your at? I can't find you. Copies. No, I did. Donsal97. But when I search it up, I can't find him. Wait, okay. But this is a fun community once they get to know how we are here. Definitely. Probably a secret, bro. We like to joke. See, like this, you are a pack, we're a pack, okay? And then an outsider comes. If a guy in the pack says some shit like, and we know how he is and so on, and his genuine interest in the server and us, then of course nobody's gonna fucking take. But if somebody from the outside comes like a freshie and we're like, who the fuck is you? And you start shit talking, bro. No shit, we're gonna be like, yo, who the fuck is you? Okay, there you go. Bro, why didn't it pop it up for me when I... Okay, now I can see. Holy. Hey, yo, he met the man, the myth, the legend. Yo, he has a... Yo, Don, how tall are you, bro? How tall is Fabio? What is your favorite song that gives you adrenaline rush? I listen to jazz, bro. I listen to this. I like these type of songs. For some reason, okay, never mind. Jazz, I like it. 60s. Oh, you got a picture with the big Fab. I was so happy to meet him. Eller vill du komma till kameran? Jag vill det. Kom. Vänta, jag tror de kan se dig. Jag vill komma till kameran. Kom till kameran. Kom. Jag vill komma. Jag vill. Vad är det? Kom. Kom, jag vill komma. Kom, ställ dig här, jag vill. Låt dem se dig snabbt. Det är bara 27 personer inne. Vi brukar vara fan 60-70. Kom snabbt på, jag vet. um, 5 minuter, sen vi kan dra till Kamaxi. Vill du gå ut med han? Vill du gå ut? Nej, det går ut man, sen vi kan tagga. Ja, ta på dig den och sen kom och kolla. Kom och säg hej. Nej. Jag vet, kom och säg hej. Jag vet, kom. Bara snabbt. Okej, kom hit, lägg dum och sen tagga. Jag vet, kom. Här borta, kom. Kom. Okej, gå förbi då. Gå förbi. Jag skiter i, man. Who is there? Jag kom, bro. Någon börjar skriva på svenska. Nej, gå förbi snabbt då. Jag ber dig gå förbi snabbt. Jag ber. Annars de tror jag spelar för andra laget. Gå och ta din väska snabbt. Kom bara snabbt, sen vi säger hej då tillsammans. I'm going away, bro. It's time to study the heat map. Deep dive. Have a great... All right. Good luck, bro. Kom, bara snabbt. Let me introduce you. Kom. Let me introduce you. Haydi, kom, haydi. Hur skäms du? Nudge. De kommer inte se det ens. Nej, haydi. Kom. Kom hit, mannen. Jag ber dig. Släpp, jag ber dig, kom. Okej, kom. Kom och säg hej, hello. My name is... Okej, kom. Kom säg hej, hello. Nej, kom bara säg. Ajde ženo, du ser bra ut. Kom. Jag måste flexa dig lite. Kom. Ajde. Vet 25 personer inne. Ajde. Släpp. Kom bara hit. Säg bara hej. Say hello guys. My name is... Eller skit i my name. Säg bara hello. My name is Slim Shit. The fiancé är shy. Ser du? De vet att det är du. Jalla. Ajde. Ajde. Kom snabbt. Jag följer med ut. Kom. Kom. Just say hi. Kom. Så alla säger, de säger kom. Ser du? Ajde. Okej, Ajde kommer gå och fixa. Bara snabbt, säg hi. Säg hello. Jag ber med Ajde så jag kan stänga av det här skitet. Jag pallar inte heller med det här. Ajde, Demi. Varför skäms du så mycket? Du ska ändå vara på kamera sen.
Ja, men det här är ju folk som ser det på en gång.
Ja, okej. Ajde. Tveka inte. Alla väntar, mammas. Ajde.
Jag kan vika här.
Much respect to you, pa. Guys, what language? This is Swedish. Kom. Bara snabbt. Pablo is trying to up his viewers. Ajde. Bara snabbt.
Jag kommer sticka upp huvudet.
Kom hit, jag ber dig. Kom hit. Det är ingen bryr sig. Kom. Alla har dragit den då. Ajde. Kör. Det är bara mina OGs kvar. Hon är blond. Say hello.
Jag är absolut inte blond.
Say hello.
Hi guys!
Hi guys. Aj. Okay. All right, guys. That took like fucking 10 hours. Just to say hi, bro. I don't say hello. Oh. Pav, what is your strategy for getting girlfriend? Full port every account. Full port every account. And go rent a Lambo. No, I'm joking. I don't know, but guys, getting a girlfriend is oof, okay, time is 6 o'clock. I have to go now. It's hard to turn $1 to 1 million or convince fiance to do something. Fucking more. I think it's harder to convince her to do something than to turn it to 1 million. Guess she's gorgeous. I appreciate it, bro. Why you hesitate when you didn't? Well, yeah. Rent a Lambo and wear Nasdaq cap. Yeah, that might also work. More money, more girl. I'm gonna be honest, and I have hair and be quite tall. That's good. I think that's good enough. And try to, I guess, be funny. That's a good strategy. Why use 5D, not 10? 10 days is too far back. I'm not gonna look at that order flow. It's not necessary. I might even just use 2 days of data instead. loves flexing now. Life's good, guys. Then might just blow up your computer. Yeah, that's too much data. Best use 5 days and that's too far back. At that point, you use a volume profile and you see all the significant delta levels. Shit, man, we will live for 4 hours soon. Or you just raw dog it. That's another attempt. Model. Yeah, just use weekly profile. There you go as well. All right. I think we are done now. Hopefully we are all on good terms, Khalil. Hopefully no how you say grudgement. I don't know how to say it. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know. Once again, this fucking language. I don't know. But yeah, hopefully we're all on good terms. Nah, beef. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I'm done for today. Ugh. Yo, look where price is actually right now. Wait. Once you start, you can't stop. Oh yeah. Can you explain how to use speed of tape? I have to go now, but really fast. Let me take it next. Ask me tomorrow. Okay, I really have to go. Hello there, I'm new to the channel. May I know? Oof, you came really in at the end when I have to go, Andy. Welcome, but I have to go, so I don't use anything else than CVD, speed of tape, big orders, volume profiles, delta levels, you know, all the original stuff, basic stuff. Got to go back. All right, see you, Peng. Thank you for coming here. All right, thank you everyone for being here. See you tomorrow. Was a good day. Was a fun day. Yeah, I'm off with the fiance to the store to go buy some stuff, groceries, so we can make some tacos. All right, bye everyone.